Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna install this Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus, and I'm gonna install it right in the middle of the garage door. I do not have a floodlight or any other device installed in there right now, so I have to run a new wire to this location. First, you need to find a power source. In my case, it is an outlet located inside of the garage. Make sure that the outlet has power in it already, and to continue working on it, turn off the power. When the power is off, now you can continue. Remove the cover from an outlet. Unscrew the outlet's mounting screws and remove the outlet. I'm gonna be attaching a new wire to this piece of wood with plastic staples, so I need to cut a hole in the drywall as close as possible to the corner. Punch out one of the knockouts inside of the electrical box with a screwdriver. You'll push the cable through this hole. I have multiple studs located behind drywall, so I have to cut a hole for a new wire with a multi-tool. To find the center for a junction box, I'm using a laser. Now I need to mark a place where I'm gonna be installing a junction box. I don't want to install a new junction box on top of the wall, I want it to be hidden. So I need to cut a hole in the wall for G-box. When the hole for the junction box is ready, now we can fit the junction box inside of it and make sure that it is flat with the wall. Now I need to run a wire for a new floodlight. I'm using 14-2 Romex wire. Now I need to run a new wire behind a drywall. I do not install the switch on this floodlight camera because I want it to be working 24/7. Now I need to cut a new wire, and I think it's gonna be more than enough to connect new wires to the outlet. Connect a new ground wire to an existing ground wires using a wire nut. Strip white and black wires enough to make small hooks at the end. You have 5 screws on the outlet, 1 is for ground wire, 2 screws for white neutral wires and 2 for hot black wires. So I have an empty space on the bottom. I am now connecting the black wire to the brass screw and to the side where it says hot. I want this wire to be in place, so I'm using pliers to bend a hook a bit, and now I need just to tighten a screw with a screwdriver. Repeat the same process but for white wire, and connect white wire to the silver screw and to the side where it says neutral. Tuck all of the wires inside of the electrical box. And secure the outlet with mounting screws. Install a cover plate. Run a wire through the junction box. To attach the junction box to the wall, I'm using nail drive concrete anchors. Now everything is ready for the installation of Floodlight Cam. I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video for the part 2 on how I installed and set up my Ring Floodlight Cam. And as always, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.